Today we fitted the Pandora Storm Immobiliser. Hey guys, it's Matt here from Pandora HQ. We've got another goal for Orange today, and as you know, they're very highly targeted vehicles and in dire need of security upgrades. This is designed to work entirely through the factory remote. On this system, you get two physical immobilizers. Even if someone was to find and remove the very discreet Pandora Storm brain, the vehicle is still immobilized. As long as this is within proximity that you set around the vehicle, you can get in and drive away. You could also use your Android smartphone as a tag, again using 128-bit encryption. Alternatively, you could use a sequence of button presses on the steering wheel, disarm the system, and allow you to drive. The Pandora Storm includes anti-hijack, designed to keep you and your car safe. When I start this vehicle, I'll open the door and place the tag inside a Faraday case to simulate the tag being out of range or me being pulled off the vehicle. When the door closes, the system will activate anti-hijack mode, and we'll see what happens next. If you use the validator sequence on the steering wheel or dash, the same sequence will happen and it's still compatible. If I exit the vehicle, shut the door and place the tag in the Faraday case as so, the system uses an accelerometer to detect the speed of the vehicle and kill it at a safe speed, keeping the car safe. The Pandora Storm also works alongside the factory Volkswagen settings. For instance, when we arm through Pandora, it enables the comfort access feature, pulls in the side mirrors, and puts up the windows.
Cue tracks.
The Pandora Storm also comes with a comprehensive phone app. On this vehicle, we've even got lock and unlock capability, meaning straight from this button here, I can disarm the system and unlock the vehicle. Or again, the opposite button to arm the system and lock the vehicle. From here, you also get status information such as battery voltage and fuel levels. You can also adjust settings such as the transponder tag distance if you want to customize your experience with the Pandora, or even enable or disable hands-free arming and disarming. For more information, check out our website at www.pandoraCaralarms.co.uk, where you can also locate your nearest authorized dealer.